Sakubona, ngiyakwamukela kusifundo sesithupha. Namhla ngifuna ukukufundisa amalanga eviki. Alright. I just said that I want to teach you the days of the week today. So ilanga means a day. And amalanga would be days. Iviki is a week. So then how do you say a day of the week? Ilanga leviki, okay? And days of the week? Amalanga eviki. Right, so today I'm teaching you amalanga eviki, okay? I want you to know how to say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in Ndebele, and also how to use those words in sentences, okay? So let's get started. The first one, Monday, is called 𝘈𝐬𝐢𝐻𝐬𝐿. Okay. Tuesday, 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐵𝐿𝐿. Wednesday, 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐵𝐿. Thursday, 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐴. And Friday, 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐵. Do you notice something here? Are you hearing the numbers that we've been learning about? Alright, so we'll get into that in a bit. We move on. So Saturday is 𝘗𝐷𝐪𝐻𝐵𝐿𝐲. And Sunday is 𝐈𝐬𝐻𝐿𝐲. So let me explain to you how these words came about so that you don't just claim them, but you understand what they mean, and then that way it will be easier for you. So Monday is considered the start of the week, okay, or the opening of the week. So how do you say open in Ndebele? Vula. Okay? So Monday is called 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐿𝐲, the opening. Okay? So if you take it like that, that Monday is considered the first day and it's 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐿𝐲. From there we say 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐵𝐿𝐿, the second day. Alright? So actually the full thing is 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐵𝐿𝐿, which is the second day. Let me just brief you on something right there. A day can either be called ilanga, just like I was telling you, ilanga leviki. It can be called usuku, and it can be called imini. All those words mean day, a day of the week. All right? And there are actually names that mean beautiful day or good day, a good day. And so those names are �𝐬𝐷𝐪𝐬𝐿, okay? 𝐬𝐷𝐪𝐬𝐿, a good day. 𝘓𝑢𝐻𝑜𝑙𝐻𝑜 also means a good day. And then there is 𝘕𝑛𝐻𝐿, also meaning a good day. So basically it means it was a good day when this baby was born. All right? Yeah, beautiful names. So are you getting it? Well, on Tuesday, we're saying Tuesday is 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝐵𝐿𝐿, the second day. Wednesday then becomes what? 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝑖𝑡ℎ𝑎𝑡ℎ𝑢, the third. 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝑖𝑛𝐻 is Thursday, the fourth day. All right? And then 𝘈𝐬𝐻𝑖𝑡ℎ𝑎𝑛𝑢 becomes the fifth day. So that's how these names came about. Then we move on to Saturday. Saturday is then called 𝘗𝐷𝐪𝐻𝑜𝐿𝐲. 𝘗𝐷𝐪𝐻𝑜𝐻𝑜 means the close. Okay? It's like Saturday is the last day. But then we have an extra day, which is Sunday, which we call 𝐈𝐬𝐻𝐼𝐻𝐷𝐪. All right. So Sunday makes sense. It's 𝐈𝐬𝐻𝐷𝐪, more like church day, considering how most Christians go to church on Sunday. All right. So those are the days of the week. And yep. So I want to give you some sentences that use the days of the week, and then let's see how that is done. All right. Number one. Ngiyaphenduka ngoLwesihlanu. Ngiyaphenduka ngoLwesihlanu. What does it mean? It means I will be back on Friday. I'll come back on Friday. Ngiyaphenduka. Okay? Here's a question. Uzahamba nini? What does it mean? Uzahamba nini? It means when will you be going? And you could say, and you could answer that and say, ngizahamba ngolwesine. Okay? I will go on Thursday. Ngizahamba ngolwesine. Number 3. NgoMgqibelo ngiya emtshadweni kaNdumiso. What do you think it means? NgoMgqibelo ngiya emtshadweni kaNdumiso. It means on Saturday I'm going to Ndumiso's wedding. Are you curious to know what Ndumiso means? I'll ask you to find that out as your assignment. Number 4. Ngizakunika ngolwesibili ozayo. Ngizakunika ngolwesibili ozayo. What does that mean? It means I will give you next Tuesday. Whatever it is that I'll give you next Tuesday. Ngolwesibili ozayo. So if you wanted to say next Monday, what would you say? NgoMvulo ozayo, right? Next Friday. NgoLwesihlanu ozayo. Perfect. Number 5. Asambeni esontweni ngesonto ezayo. Asambeni esontweni ngesonto ezayo. What does that mean? It means let's go to church next Sunday. Right? Good. Number 6. NgoMvulo siyabuyela emsebenzini. What do you think that means? NgoMvulo siyabuyela emsebenzini. On Monday we are going back to work. Alright. So buyela means go back. Buyela. What about come back? We just spoke about it in the first sentence. Penduka. So penduka, come back. Buyela, go back. Number 7. uNtombezindle uzakube engekho ngolwesithathu. What does that mean? uNtombezindle uzakube engekho ngolwesithathu. uNtombezindle. So that means Ntombezindle won't be around on Wednesday. Uzakube engekho. Okay? If you want to say I won't be around, ngizakube ngingekho. So uNtombezindle uzabe engekho. We actually say it like this when we're speaking. We say uzabe engekho. All right? But the full word is that one. Uzakube engekho. Okay. Yes, so that's it on the days of the week. I'm going to ask you to come up with your own sentences, 5 sentences that use the days of the week, and that will be your assignment. All right. I hope you got it. I hope you're following. So have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.